What's up, YouTube? Today we are looking at a Great Eastern Cutlery 22 in Redstone ESPL. I believe it stands for, I forget. It's something to do with like how it kind of seems organic or bio, but it's not. Obviously, this is a Warrenclyffe blade. You can still see some of the oil. This is a very small piece. How small, you may ask? Let me grab this guy. 2 inches, maybe, in change. So obviously it's a small gun stock pattern. We're talking pretty small, 3 fingers max, pretty much. This is it's a 22, supposed to be 22 Magnum. Let me get it oiled up before I continue on. That is not a straight shield. I don't know what that would be called. Maybe a hot dog. Let's look at the fit and finish. It is, you know, it's very well done. It's something that you expect from GEC. It doesn't mean take it for granted, but that is what I expect. This is a nice little piece. It kind of reminds me of the very small Rattlers, except just a tiny bit bigger in the handle. Yeah, that is basically it. I might do another one. I might get this back out. Obviously, for a lot of them, I might get them back out and compare them. This would make a very neat little carry, but probably stay in the collection. So, yeah. That's about all she wrote for this one. Thanks for sticking with me to the end. I hope you folks have a good rest of your day.